Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're told the formula C is equal to 5/9 F minus 32, where F is greater than negative 459.67, expresses the Celsius temperature C as a function of the Fahrenheit temperature F. So first, we're going to find a formula for the inverse function and interpret it. So if our original function is C is equal to 5/9 times F minus 32, what we're going to do is we are going to find the opposite of this function, right? We are going to switch the variables. So it's going to be F is equal to 5/9 times C minus 32. What is this going to turn into? Well, now we can solve for C, multiplying by 9/5 on both sides. These cancel, and we're left with 9/5 Fahrenheit is equal to C minus 32. Now we just have to add 32 to both sides. Get C is equal to 9/5 F plus 32. And here we have the inverse function. This is the standard way that you find the inverse function, by switching the variables. And what we would expect is that this is interpreting the Celsius as a function of Fahrenheit. However, that's not actually the case, because we actually already have that. C is equal to 5/9 times F minus 32. Here, we actually have Fahrenheit in terms of Celsius, because when we're looking at these variables, these are representing real-life phenomena, that is, the Fahrenheit and Celsius temperature. So the inverse of Celsius temperature in terms of Fahrenheit is Fahrenheit in terms of Celsius. What is the domain of the inverse function? Well, F has to be greater than or equal to negative 459.67. So therefore, we have to find the values of C that produce values of F greater than or equal to negative 459.67. So what we're going to do is say 9/5 C plus 32. This value needs to be greater than or equal to negative 460. Subtracting 32 from both sides, this cancels, and we're left with 9C over 5 is greater than or equal to negative 492. Multiplying both sides by 5. This cancels, and we're left with 9C is greater than or equal to negative 2,000, and we can calculate this right now. Negative 2,460. And now we just divide this by 9. We get C is greater than or equal to negative 2,460 divided by 9. C is greater than or equal to negative 820 divided by 3. This is the domain of the inverse function.